Hello and welcome. It's KB here. So if you use multiple AI tools for just one project, you know how messy it gets. But what if you could just use one platform where you do almost everything in one place? Well, let me show you Skywork V3. Instead of just being another AI tool, it's an autonomous AI team that does the whole workflow for you. I'm pretty sure you have heard about the OpenClaw. So this is a similar thing, but on cloud. So you don't have to deploy or configure anything. It's ready to use. In Skywork, it's called SkyClaw. You can give it a nickname. You can also give it a unique identity. You can choose a custom avatar and you get a dedicated computer that's online 24/7. And it also provides a native access to top models like Cloud Opus 4.7, ChatGPT 5.5, Gemini 3.1 Pro, etc. So in this video, I'm putting it to the test with massive real-time data challenge. I'm going to ask it to analyze top 100 e-commerce products trending right now, then turn that data into visual analysis slide deck, and then build a promotional landing page for the top product. And I'm going to keep the auto model selected so it automatically uses the right model for right thing, because there are multiple things it needs to do. It needs to analyze and create a slide and website, and let's see how it works. And just like that, it has already planned how it's going to do it. It's gonna research, then create a slide deck, and then create a landing page. So it's gonna automatically execute the task. We don't have to do anything. So we just sit back, relax, and it will probably take some time. So while it's doing its thing, you can actually go back and do other things and it will just work in the background. Now, you may be wondering, can I just use it for some simple single tasks? Yes, you can. Let's say you want to create a slide. Yes, you can do that. So similar to that, you can generate documents, images, sheets, websites, videos, and there are many other skills that you can choose from. Like, for example, you can generate a podcast and you can even create more skills using a skill creator. You can also connect tools such as Google Apps like Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Microsoft 365, Notion, etc. And you can also use messaging tools such as WhatsApp, Telegram, or Discord to chat with the SkyClaw, or you can simply use Skywork app on your phone. Now, if we go back to the task that we gave it to the SkyClaw, we can see the progress. Plus, to the sidebar, we have multiple options here: Cloud Computer, Task Progress, and Project Files. If we can expand this, here we can access the Cloud Computer. So we can click on that and also expand that. And in here, we can actually see AI executing the task in real time. You can also schedule a task. There is an option, scheduled task. Let's click on it. And here we can click on create, give it a task name. Let's say AI News, and let's give it a prompt. You are my personal AI researcher and technology analyst. Each morning, scan the internet using your web search tool and retrieve the top artificial intelligence news from the last 24 hours. And you can set a execution time here, and let's click on advanced settings. And in here, in notification channels, you can switch from Skywork to WhatsApp. If you're using a Skywork app or just want to use the Skywork website, you can select that. Or if you use, let's say, WhatsApp, you can select WhatsApp, or any other messaging service that you have connected, you can select that. Now, it looks like the task that we gave it earlier has been completed. Once the task is complete, you actually get a notification. So I can simply click on that notification to open that chat. Now, it looks like one of the tasks is complete and one of them is still running. The slide deck that we asked for is still in process, but the research is complete. Let's click on open in new tab, and here is the website that it created. First, I didn't know what is the most trending product right now. Okay, it looks like it is called Lifar is a drink. Look at the website actually. Wow. It created a full-fledged landing page for this product. Oh, one of them is a offline landing page that we can actually download. It's a HTML file. And the other one is actually a live website that it created. It's insane. I can also open this in new tab here, and it actually has a web address. And another interesting thing you can see here, it automatically adds the skills based on what it needs to do. Like, for example, for this workflow, you can see there are two types of skills. One is website, so it created the website here, and another one is slides. that is still in progress. So whatever you ask the Sky Claw to do, it does everything for you automatically. Okay, you just give it a command and it will just research itself and will also apply the skills itself and execute the task automatically. You don't have to do anything. You just sit back and wait for the task to complete. Okay, let's do one more thing until it finishes creating the slides. I have created this open source application called SCR-CPY-GUI. I want to create a promotional video. So let's copy the URL of our GitHub page of this app, and let's create a new project and give it a prompt. I want you to create a poster and promo video for this app called SCR-CPY-GUI. The video must be 30 seconds long, and here is the app link. And now it should be able to automatically do its research and create the poster and video for me. And look at that. It already grabbed all the info from the GitHub. I should have provided some images of the app or some recordings for better results, but still, let's see how it turns out. For some reason, it didn't completely execute the task. It actually asked for a confirmation, probably because I didn't provided any assets. And yeah, it says that no assets needed. Text to video. Okay, launching both clips in parallel right now. So for better results, if you have assets, it would be better, like the images or even the short clips or something. Okay, now we also got a presentation task completed notification. So it's for the e-commerce trending product. Let's check this out actually. And here is the slideshow. Okay, so we can go down and we can see the average growth, trend, velocity, category leader, and all the info that we need basically. Okay, and we can also go full screen. We have all the graphs available in here. It's actually pretty cool. Look at that. And we can also click on the download button to download this locally. Now we get another notification about the video of our product. So let's click on that. And look at that. It also has a built-in video editor. Okay, we have 2 videos here. Let's play the first one. Okay, it's all AI generated. Oh, yeah, I know there are multiple themes inside my app. Oh, it's playing the game. Okay, I should have provided more assets like the images and even the video, and it will automatically, edit that and make it look cool. Okay, it's still cool actually. You can do almost anything that other AI can do. Actually, you don't need other AI. Almost all the skills, all the popular AI models are already available here in one place. So it can do almost anything. Plus it's the OpenClaw on cloud, basically. If you also want to try this out, I'll put a link in the description. You can go there and try out the Skywork for yourself. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye.